How to automatically create Google Calendar events from Google Sheets and Google Form. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, let's see how you do it in the Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and click on Extensions at the top. Then click on Add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons. After you press on Get Add-ons, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the search bar at the top, simply type in Calendar Events Creator and click on Calendar Events Creator. After that, click on Calendar Events Creator, which is the first option. Then click on Install. After it's installed, simply click on Extensions at the top again. Then you'll find Calendar Events Creator, click on it. Then click on Setup in there. After you've clicked on Setup, on the right side you'll find its setting pop up. Add your event title. After event title is added, click on Select Event Start Date. Make sure it's Date of Meeting. After you've selected that, select the same thing for the end date as well. Then add color to your event if you want by pressing on color, and you'll find all these options. Select the one you prefer. Then scroll down and in the descriptions, click on Select, which is below descriptions, and select the second column, which is Issue. After you're done, make sure Enable Status View is column D, which means your event will be shown in that. Then click on Apply Settings. After you have applied the settings, simply click on the cross mark at the top and then add name, issue, and date of meeting. After you have written all this, after you press on Enter, you'll find View Event in the new column. If you click on it, you'll find Google Calendar pop up, and there you'll find your event meeting. And this is how to create Google Calendar events in Google Sheets. Now, to do it in the Google Form, open Google Form on the new browser. Open New tab and make sure you already have Google Form. Then click on the Forms and click on Responses at the top. After you click on the Responses, click on Link to Sheets. After you've pressed on Link to Sheets, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create a New Spreadsheet and then press on Create at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this kind of page. In here, click on Extensions at the top. After you have pressed on Extensions at the top, go to Calendar, Events Creator, and Setup. After you're in there, you'll find New Location pop up and then add Event Title and select Start Date for the event. Simply press on it and make sure it's column E. And make sure End Date is also column E. After that, select the color you want for your event location if you want. Then press on Select in the event descriptions. After you have selected, select F column. Then enable Status View. Make sure it's column G. After you have done that, press on Apply Setting. After it's applied, I have opened this form from different Google account. After I submit this form, it will directly add everything in the sheet. As you can see, I have submitted and event has directly added in here. And this is how to automatically create Google Calendar events from Google Sheets and Google Form. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.